In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send a constant contact email to one person. This is a useful skill when you want to share an existing email campaign with a single contact without sending it to an entire list. Before you begin, make sure you are signed into your Constant Contact account and that the contact you want to email already exists in your contacts. Start by navigating to the Constant Contacts page. This is where you can view and manage everyone in your account, including their names, email addresses, and list memberships. If you have a large database, take a moment to let the page fully load so search and filters work smoothly. Next, search for the specific contact you want to send the email to. Use the search bar to type part of their name or email address, then look through the results to confirm you have the correct person. Once you find them, tick the checkbox next to their name. This checkbox is important because it tells Constant Contact exactly who you are targeting. Double check that only the one contact you want is selected before moving forward. With that contact selected, click the Actions button. This menu contains tools you can apply to the selected contact. From the list of options, choose Send Email. This opens the sending workflow and connects your selected person to an email campaign. Now choose the email campaign you want to send. You will see a list of available campaigns, so pick the one that matches what you intend to deliver. This is a good moment to confirm you are selecting the correct email, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. After choosing the campaign, click Continue. Finally, review the details on the confirmation screen. Pay attention to the recipient information and the campaign name so you know it is going to the right person. When everything looks correct, click Send Now. Constant Contact will send that email campaign to the single contact you selected. That covers everything you need to know.